In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Zoom meeting link both before and during a call. Whether you're scheduling a session days in advance or need to quickly share a link during an ongoing meeting, understanding this process will streamline your online communications and make sure everyone is on the same virtual page. First, let's begin by opening the Zoom desktop app or heading over to the Zoom web portal. Depending on your preference or access, both routes will bring you to the starting point necessary for scheduling and sharing a meeting. Once you're there, you'll see a button labeled Schedule. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll start setting up the structure for your Zoom meeting. Now, it's time to enter the meeting details. Fill in the topic of your meeting, decide on the time, and address other options. You might consider requiring a password for added security, or configuring settings like video and audio preferences. These choices help ensure that your meeting meets its desired format and security level. After you're satisfied with your choices, click Save. This step is crucial because it locks in all of the details you've entered, making sure your setup isn't lost. Now that your meeting is scheduled, you can move on to the right side menu where you'll find your schedule. Here, within your upcoming meetings, locate the specific one you just scheduled. Look for the 3 dots close to the meeting that you want to share. This will allow you to access additional options. By clicking on these, a list appears where you'll want to select Copy Invitation. It's this invitation that contains all the information your attendees will need to join your meeting, such as the meeting link, ID, and any additional instructions or passwords you've set. Once the invitation is copied, you can paste it directly into an email, a messaging app, or even include it in a calendar event to distribute to your participants. This step ensures that all your attendees have the correct details to access the meeting at the scheduled time. Sharing the link in advance is always a good idea, allowing attendees to prepare and schedule accordingly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully scheduled a meeting and distributed the link to your attendees. Whether you handle this well in advance or need to quickly send out details during a current session, these steps will keep your meetings running smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps enhance your Zoom meetings in the future.